Welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Today in the law of attraction, the final phase I am going to teach you. I think a small recoup I will tell you that law of attraction is the very greatest law in the universe to attract and manifest things. In this you have to eliminate your negative feelings and have positive feelings that you can manifest things. And second thing, you have to clear your space, your mind, body and soul, and protect your aura during this session. This has to be done every day. And third thing I have taught you is that you have to be in the state that you have achieved it. Now the final stage, how actually you will be doing the law of attraction process. For this you need a quiet place where you can sit and do the law of attraction manifestation. Take a paper and write whatever you want to manifest. Don't overdo, like jumbling too many problems in one go. Take one by one which you feel the most important one. Take that problem which you want to solve, or take that topic which you want to manifest, either of it, and sit in a quiet place where you can focus and concentrate on yourself and the manifestation process, and sit and write what actually you need. Write it in the positive and affirmative sense, that tense, that I have achieved so and so on this day. You write it clearly without any negative points. Don't say that I am not having this, or I want this, or not in that way. Just you write that I have achieved this and I am very happy about it and I thank the universe for it. So you will be writing that and put your signature there, and when you finish off and keep the pen aside, at that second, at that moment, think that you have achieved it. That's it. If you are going to be in that state of happiness, even initially for even 5 to 10 seconds is enough. Slowly you will gather that feeling and you can take up to 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's up to you. However your capacity allows it to you. This is the process which many people have got it, and this is the easiest way of manifesting things. They do this for 45 days to 90 days according to your problem. This is the way of manifesting, guys, that I have taught you. So now I want to tell you, some people are as such that they don't have the inner capacity for manifesting things through law of attraction. For them, I am going, from next week I am going to teach how to manifest through vision board. That is also equally very powerful thing, but for that you don't need the inner capacity or to meditate and all. For some people who find it difficult, for them that will be very good. Or if you want to do both simultaneously, that also you can do to manifold the power of the law of attraction. So quickly we will go into the readings. Let's check the energies for Leos this week. If you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe. In health context, you have got Temperance. Career and finance, you have got Two of Swords. In relationship, Queen of Swords. And what the universe gives you a slogan or affirmation this week, let's see. Forgiveness. In the health context, you have got Temperance. This card says that whatever health issue you are undergoing right now is only a temporary period. Good time is ahead. You have to balance your mind. Don't stress out, so that good things can happen only with calm mind. So be calm to accept good things. Good things are ahead. Things will become better. So you need to be balanced and accept good things coming in your life with balanced state of mind. you can give 60% positivity. In career and business, you have got 2 of swords. This card says that you are in dilemma, you are not able to move forward or backward. If you take one decision, you think that this may happen or that may happen, that makes you scary. So this period is not good for taking any major decision. Let the week go, then you will get some clarity in your life, so that you can put in your life, in your career, to bring changes. So this period is not good for any changes. Let the week go. That's what this card says. Only 20% positivity. And in relationship, Queen of Swords is a card which says that you will shine like a queen in your relationship. Whatever things you wanted to mend, you can mend it up. You can win over your partner in if any dispute you are undergoing with them, or if you are lacking supremacy, or if you are a mother, your children are not hearing your words, or something like that, where you feel that your voice is not heard. Now is the period that your voice will be heard, and your inner thing, your inner soul will get the satisfaction of accomplishing things according to your wish. As far as the relationship is concerned, we can give 70% positivity. Alternatively, there is another version which will say that there is some woman in your life who is bossing upon you, so it's better you avoid them. That also is there. So you need to see your life which works well. So either the ways, you can give 70% positivity. Even if someone is bossing you up, you just avoid them for this week, will make this week go smoothly. So as far as the universe message is concerned, it gives that forgiveness is a gift to myself. Don't brood upon anything which is putting your mind to go here and there. Just forgive that, so that you can get maximum out of the universe. Forgive so you can be forgiven. That's the universal law. So that implies on you also. That is the slogan for you this week. Let's see what the Sticktomancy has to say. The forgiveness card also says that something in your mind is going, so that you are not able to forgive someone, so that pulls you back. That is also there. So leave that thing to the universe. Let the universe take charge of that problem. You be happy by forgiving others. Let's see what the Sticktomancy has to say. A wise man will make more opportunity than he finds. So here, little opportunity also, you can make it big. It is up to your wise decision how you make. So little opportunity, whatever you get in your life, try to utilize it to maximum, so that you can derive maximum from the universe. That's what. So trust your intuition, guys.